What's up, guys? So this is my 2019 BMW X5. We currently have the white DRLs. We're going to be swapping out for the yellow CSL DRLs. I'm going to link the website where I got this part from. For the first part, what we're going to do is just take this cover shielding off to get to the module, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so got the trim piece off. You're going to have 8 of these clips. What I used is a plastic clip tool. Just pry them up nice and easy. Make sure you don't lose these. After that, you're going to have 3 of these weather stripping clips also clipped into here. And I just moved it over to the side. It's because we have the release also hooked up to it. Just to not make it a lot more work. Basically what I did is just moved it over to the side. I'm gonna clean some of that up before I put everything back. Here we have 3 T20s. And once that is done, you can basically lift this up. And then once you get it up, there's also gonna be a wire right there that you're gonna have to unclip. And then once that's unclipped, you can swap it over to the new one. All right, so we got the clip. We got the clip off, and all you have to do is just slide it. Sorry, I don't know why my phone's out of focus. You just have to slide it out. So it's going to be sitting like this, and you just slide that clip backwards, and it should easily pop out. Now what we're gonna do is just grab the new one. We're gonna slide that connector back into the new one and place it back on and connect everything, put the T20s back in, and that's it. And just rinse and repeat for the other side. All right, so we have the new module in. Everything went down smooth. Really easy install, honestly. Really plug and play how it says it is. I'm just gonna clean some of this up right here, and then I'm gonna put the trim piece back on, and I'm gonna start on the other side. Honestly, guys, this should take like 10-15 minutes at most. Yeah, once we get that side done, I'm gonna test everything out and show you guys how the new CSL DRLs look like. So I'm gonna try to give you a visual of what it's gonna look like when you're trying to take that clip off. I just literally one-handed just slide it back, and this is the OEM module, which comes right off. And then we have the aftermarket module. Same thing, you just want to slide the clip on, and then you guys can just reinstall the T20s, and you should be good to go. Alright guys, everything is wrapped up. Both modules are installed. Let's just button everything back up, clean everything up, make sure everything looks nice and clean and tidy under there. And I'm gonna turn the car on so you guys can see the new DRLs, okay? Alright guys, there you go. CSL DRLs installed on my 2019 BMW X5. Took about 10 minutes to do. Plug and play. I'm gonna link the website where I got these from. It really looks mean. Honestly, if I had the laser lights, I think these would look a little bit cooler. But even without the laser lights, very nice mod, very simple, not too expensive. If you guys want to see more photos and more posts about this, I'll be linking my Instagram down below. Give a follow, shout out, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.